Shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this episode. What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. We've got the iPhone 10 here. We've got a enormous watermelon here. It's actually too big to fit in our drone, so we're gonna have to cut it down a little bit. We've got Darren, we've got Chad, we've got the freaking huge drone. We're gonna be drop testing this watermelon with the iPhone 10 inside of it from 400 feet. Will the iPhone 10 survive?
No.
I think so. I actually think so. You look like you're betrayed right now.
I don't think it will actually survive because this is
weight.
Lots of force, and this melon is gonna explode on impact like crazy.
My theory is that it's gonna like explode, but there's gonna be a lot of dissipation from the water as it comes down. I think it's gonna absorb it just enough to help protect it.
So what do you guys think? Post your opinion in the top right. Go vote. Let's prep. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. So our drone box is only about that tall. The melon is about that tall. So we're gonna have to cut out about a 2-inch section in the middle. You guys want some melon? Yeah. We're gonna have some melon here.
Yeah, I'll take a little piece of melon before it becomes potentially littered with glass.
Whoa.
There's your piece. Oh. There's your piece. It's a race. Race. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Yes.
I'm full.
Oh my god.
I'm not a loser.
Oh my god. You guys are crazy. Oh yes. Okay, that's, yep. Oh, it's such a close tie right now. Oh my god. Amazing. Wow, that was really impressive, guys. I will give you guys
You want a high five?
You're both winners. No
you
high
want
fives.
A watermelon high five?
Nope, nope. No, my god. I've got the knife. Back,
okay.
back. And now we just gotta cut out a slot for the iPhone here. Okay. I think we're doing pretty good there. Bandy it. You want to bet, Chad? So
yeah, I guess you guys are betting against me.
10 push-ups.
Wait, how does that for either of us?
10 for us, 20 for him if we...
Oh, okay.
So yeah, that makes sense?
Yep.
Because it's 20
if
total.
It survive, 20 and 10.
You know what? I'll do it though. 20 push-ups. Why not?
Okay.
But you guys each have to do 20 push-ups if you miss.
Okay, so 20, 40.
Oh, this guy keeps doubling.
How is this fair?
I know what I'm doing. Let's take it up in the drone and find out what happened. Let's put her in there.
We're gonna put this watermelon in this very, this, what would you call this? Like a square, like a square space.
Box?
We're gonna put it in a square, something like that.
In a square space?
In a square space there.
A square space?
Yeah.
Big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this episode, guys. This episode would not be possible without them. If you're looking for a professional website that's easy to make, that looks super freaking classy. I spent less than an hour making my website, and I think it looks awesome. Editing your website is as simple as picking one of the mini designer templates, uploading your photos, dragging and dropping, and typing in the information that you need to add. Squarespace costs as little as $12 a month, and get an additional 10% off when you use the URL down below, squarespace.com/gizmo. They can make even a crappy web designer like me do something cool in a short amount of time. What are you doing?
Dude.
You want a website? Go check it out. Link in the description. Free trial. So here we go.
Oh gosh. Here we go.
He's just getting tiny.
Smaller and smaller.
200.
Oh.
400. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it goes. Holy
Perfect.
crap. Oh my god.
Oh! Oh my gosh! That was insane! Look at this! It hit him!
Melon just exploded.
That almost took out my 360 cam.
Yeah.
Here comes that mellow. It's like perfectly 50-50 too, like where it lands.
That couldn't be more flat.
Oh.
It just disintegrates.
That is a nuclear explosion of watermelon. And then where's the phone? Where's the phone?
There. I think that's it right there. Right there, right there.
I don't even know. You can't even see it.
It's so much debris.
Oh, there it goes. It's coming out from the center right now.
Right there.
Oh,
Yep,
there it is.
There we go.
Oh my god, that was hard to see.
Look at, you have the little pieces flying here. Look at this one coming at the camera.
Jeff got hit by a chunk of watermelon from 50 feet away.
Oh my god.
That was
That's
gnarly.
insane.
I love how backlit it is too. You can see just like how like crisp that mist is.
Yeah, it got like misty, chunky. It was all kinds of amazing. Let's take a look at Darren's. Oh, look at that thing. Just disappears.
Yeah, dude. It's
Oh my god.
it's so precariously close to my 360 cam too.
This is my favorite drop test we've done in a while. Oh,
That was amazing.
This is great. Yeah, I feel very emotionally satisfied right now.
All my anger's gone. I'm a happy dude.
Where did the phone go? Like, I seriously don't see it. Oh my
All the
god.
way over there.
Oh, there's no way it survived.
No, but
The back
it's
is not
even-
shattered.
The front though, the front matters too.
No.
Oh! Dang! The screen is still working.
What? No way.
Oh my
There is
god.
no possible way. It's working.
So I said partial survival. I don't think it will actually survive. I still don't think the phone's gonna survive.
I still don't think the phone's gonna survive.
You flip-flopped. You
Scar
guys
said
both
yes.
bet against me that it would survive.
But it's in the middle.
Yeah.
So I think we all do 20.
Sounds like a terrible bet. Nobody wins.
I do.
This phone wins. This. Oh my gosh. I've never heard someone make so much noise. I think that's about 20.
Big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this episode. Go check them out. If you're looking for a website, like, it doesn't get better than Squarespace as far as easiness, classy looks, super simple, and very cheap. 2-week free trial. Link in the video description down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Chad, Darren, and Brandon out. Woo!